Upadhyay from 2014 IPG batch. I got placed in Paytm and I have an internship offer from MathWorks Bangalore. Firstly, I got placed in Paytm, so they conducted an online coding round which consisted of 3 questions. The questions were based on first was simple implementation, second was number theory, and third was string matching. So I solved all the questions there, and then the next round, there were 3 technical rounds. All the rounds consisted of questions from data structures and algorithms along with basic knowledge of object-oriented programming, OS and DBMS. The last round was an HR round which was consisting of certain behavioral questions like what if you are not selected, or where do you see yourself within next 5 years, and why are you choosing Paytm. Then in MathWorks, first round was online coding round which consisted of 2 coding questions and plus multiple choice questions from language of your choice. So I selected C and C++, and after that there were some general aptitude questions also. During the interview process, it was conducted on Skype, and the first round was technical round in which he asked me certain aspects of C++ programming language as well as object-oriented programming. They mainly focused on how good your knowledge is with programming as well as how technically strong you are. So at that time, coding played a good helping support for me because I was doing competitive programming from the past 2.5 years, so it helped there. And then next round was a managerial followed by an HR round, and finally I got an internship of 4 months, and post that internship I'll be getting a job offer from them. I've been offered a CTC of 9 lakh from Paytm and a 14 lakh CTC from MathWorks. I did my internship at Printplay Learning Solutions. It is a B2B company at Gurgaon. I did my work at natural language processing. It was quite a good learning experience. I got to learn about how we can apply the machine learning and natural language processing for hotel consumers, and it was a good experience. I would say that it plays a certain amount of role, like there are certain companies which keep a cap around 7 or 6.5 CGPA, and also at the time of during the final rounds, if you have a good CGPA around 7.5 to 8, it suggests that you are consistent throughout your college time, and it plays a certain role but not as much. You just need to keep your CGPA above 7.5. As far as competitive coding is concerned, most of the companies keep their first round coding round only, so you need to know the basic data structures and algorithms. Also, while in development or machine learning, you need to apply these coding parts. So it's better to get a good understanding of data structures and algorithms for a good career. Well, according to me, what I have tried is, firstly, you try yourself on coding. If you think you are good at it, continue with it. But if you are not getting interested in competitive coding, then that would be the best time to switch to development, because you would be knowing that how to optimize your solutions and what are the areas that you can look to improve upon. So it would help you during your development phase. Well, the major achievement for me is representing the institute at ACM ICPC Calcutta Regionals in 2017. Apart from that, I have also been the event manager of Sports Fest Twaran, and I've also won certain contests, programming contests conducted by ASF, as well as won in Decathlon at Infosys and Orre also. What I would like to advise to newcomers is when enjoy your life, take part in activities, extracurricular activities also, and try to explore which field is suitable for you. It's not just that you are coming here, so focus on coding from the first day onwards, or leave everything. You should not be like also like leave everything and just party. So you need to keep a balance between the two and enjoy your life. Try different things during the first year, and then get to know what you are willing to do, what do you like, and decide accordingly.